Morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm Babcia, and I am the host of Legacy's Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. This is Monday, and we're still in March, and I hope your spirits are high. I hope your energy level is up and high. And let's get started on a cute little DIY. But first of all, I don't know what's going on Facebook, but there's a lot of ladies making face masks out of their bras. And I know, back in the 60s, everybody burned their bras. Well, this year in 2020, everybody's making face masks out of their bras. Well, I don't know about me. This is one of my bras, and I don't know. I just think that I'd be safe, wouldn't I? I'd probably be more like an umpire. But anyhow, if you're making your masks, make sure they're not only pretty, like a lot of ladies are decorating, but make sure that they meet the safety guidelines, because, you still don't want to get sick. Anywho, I'm not here to make one of those DIYs. I'm here to make something with mixed media art. I have one more foam head left, and I'm going to try to make a queen bee mixed media art. I'm going to use up all my gems and maybe some buttons, florals, whatever I have left here in the craft room. I have a few light bulbs left so I can make my own honeybees, a pot, and I can make a honey hive. So I'm just going to throw everything together, try to deplete my craft stash, and just have fun today. And I thank you for joining me. Hit that subscribe button when you can. Like the video. And by the way, if you have your children home with you right now, or your grandchildren, the last two videos prior to this video is of Miss Legacy, and she really made some fantastic kids crafts. And they were first-time crafts. One was she did work with the foam head, and another one she did a cute DIY that is very popular in the Facebook groups right now, and it's the butter dish kitchen salt pepper shaker holder centerpiece. She made it for her mother, and then I also taught her how to dry brush, and boy, did the paint job turn out really pretty. So you're going to have to look back and see that video. Watch it with your children, and then, start crafting. I know they're probably worried just as much as you are right now at this time, but they look up to us. It's all new to them. And yeah, it's new to us too. I'm 55 years old. I've never been in a crisis like this with our nation. But anywho, they look up to us. They look for guidance, and so we put a smile on our face, and we keep on crafting, and we bring arts and crafts into their world. So watch those last two videos, and thanks for stopping in, and maybe I'll talk to you at the end of the video. It depends how long this video will take, because this will probably be a 2 to 3 day process. So I might say something at the end, or I might not. So until then, blessings to you and your family from me and my family. So let's get crafted. Bye. Well, everybody, I thought this was going to be an arts and crafts video about a queen bee that I'm going to make out of a foam head, which I will, but I was just out shopping to 5 different places today because Governor of our state of Michigan has just declared that tonight at midnight the state's going to shut down. So, of course, had to pick up some batteries if I want to continue making videos with you guys and bringing the DIY channel to you folks out there that are staying home and in the same situation. I picked up batteries. I went 5 different places and finally found some 70% rubbing alcohol. I need this because I am a diabetic. I do take my blood sugar and have to clean my hands. Plus, this is always good to use for hand sanitizer. Picked up a few other things, so I decided I'm going to keep this video short, and I did upload some pictures about a month ago on how to make this towel rack out of the Dollartree Trellis and the Dollartree. Everything's Dollartree except for the bumblebees, which I show you how to make with light bulbs. So I'm going to upload that DIY video, keep this video short, and then later on in the future you will see another DIY video since I did get some batteries. and I like Energizer batteries, so we'll do that video another time. But if you're in the same situation as we are here in Michigan, stay safe. Stay home as much as you can. I know you have to get out and get groceries. I know some of you are still going to work. Bless you guys. And keep in the good spirits. Like I said, it's all new to everybody. And just remember, I've never been through this before. I don't know who has really been through something like this. You know, declare it a national crisis. The president hasn't done it yet, but I see it coming with the state-to-state shutdown. Eventually, it's going to be, you know, everybody stay home. Will it get that bad as Italy? I don't know, but everybody keep crafting. Hug one another, read a book. This time, read a book. Pick up the Game of Thrones series. You know, order it from Amazon. I tell you, I did all Game of Thrones last year. I've been watching the HBO series. It's a good series to watch if you're an older person. It's not good for kids, really. But if you want to get into a series like that, I've been watching Outlander on Stars. That's another good series for the adults. You know, pick up some of the series that you haven't had time to watch. And, you know, eat healthy and just keep smiling. And I appreciate you watching my channel as well. You know, subscribe. Find me on Instagram. I upload photos every day. Find me on Facebook. I try to keep the humor going, and I upload, you know, funny memes and stuff. And I might even upload one about, you know, the bra and the mask. You know me, I'll be creative and try to be funny. But I just want y'all to know I'm thinking of you guys. And just remember, I'm going through the same thing you're going through. And even at my age of 55, I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. I wish I could predict the future, but nobody can right now. But we're all in the same boat. So let's stay afloat and not sink, okay? Get to the slideshow. I'll sign off. And I wish you all a very successful, healthy week. Smile. Hug your loved ones. And I send my blessings from me and my family to you and your family. Bye.